at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing like you. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. You don't do what I do. I'm the living truth, the living proof. You could be whatever, never wanted fame.
Yo, what's up guys? We just got the sumos in. Let's unbox them. Alright, we got another box in a box. Let's go. Yo, look how good they look. Let's go install them on the bike. Yo, what's up guys? We're on the Old Trippy right now. We're headed to LA. Going to meet up with my friends on the metro. Bro, these wheels feel so good and they look so good. Good it looks with the sumos. So we made it to the train station. Now we're waiting for my friends. Thought I was late. They're being bums. The new foot brake. Chrome sumos. Oh, it looks so good. The fork wrap. Alright guys, we're waiting for my friends. They should be here any second now. Go check out ASD Designs. Use code UBBEN. But let's head to LA. Yo, what's up guys? Made it to LA. Bro, I don't know why, but with these sumos, I could no-hand a lot better. My old ones are way too wobbly to no-hand. So we're heading to the Rideout. They take off in 2 minutes. Hopefully we can make it. Alright guys, we made it to the metro. So back to LB. We're back in LB. Hopefully you can hear me good. I put my mic a different way because it's cold and I don't want to put my hoodie up. Bro, it's so cold. LA was so much fun. See if we can snap. Didn't get to hit this today. It's running. Let's go try to run double hand drag. I haven't tried to do it on these sumos. Before my wheel wobbled, so it's a lot harder to double hand drag. Wonder how far I am, because I'm doing a no hand drag, you know? Oh, yeah, I'm close. I'll get it, guys. So hopefully in next week's vid, I could get that trick and put it in the vid. Bro, this Dtla Rideout feels so good. Selling the Lighty for $34.50 OBO. I'm selling the RSS for $1,500 firm. I'm selling the other Razor for $800 firm. For watching and stay tuned.
Yeah, it ain't nothing new. I'm trying to make an M at 21 and 10 at 22. You can't walk a mile up in my shoe. I ain't nothing